Mwachi mreto kwirana asensemo yechisemi ritko lia rero nigo omwaziri w'esemi Muske Julius Ogamba Migosi nyakobokirana ase sub county ya Nyamira South yegotoka ase county ya Nyamira mnenchiremo yokoenekio kugurugwe container ya matemu yekirasi 12 KCSE okwana asenseme yo nigo boigabiriga gukwanira na gotemna goikabono iga bong'ainire bonde bwensi bwa amatemu ayo a KCSE mburarakana na nigo bagendrete koenekinga abor kigwa nkonyora bari chinga chinyororo okora amatemu abo asenchira yekene no bwasoku matemu ayo arakinya kabaka goikomo elio ekiye iga litkoria ijuma roboturu nigo rwariganirwa no muriketo Polycarp Okara
Nemambia.
My Lord and my God, may you continue to guide, to lead and order our steps.
Asamagacha igamanene ye county ya Nyamira ase ogotemwa gwekirasi kiga ge 12 okukogendrete kugachire Waziri w'echisemi mensi ya Kenya Julius Ogamba nigo aenekia okwigoro gwe container yiga na boigo no kubwatoko kwa matemwa yiga uchianse abateneri bebitu ao ase chisukuru echo chirime ya sub county yiga ya Nyamira South imeye county yiga ya Nyamira ukwanekerekyo Ogamba niga aenekire na gotabuna serikali nigo ebwate emerobiremia uchiasa boroki wabonsi mensi ya Kenya na boigo kubabuli bali bateneta amatemu yayiga kuba abana chinga kichinyororo kogendera n'echisemi cy'ababuya iligwe konya asama tukagocha
tutogetekera umwana waso ekerasi asomi w'imyaka ene kera ukora amatemu aye anyore grade kirikiaye kera serikali ntulitiare kuira abana abonsi pi bagakora amatemu nkwira tora abandi university kwira tora abandi TVET kwira tora abandi medical training colleges kera umwana nabo atasagora asagoswa so ngosaba kabanta aba banene abalimu parents komuranche tagosoera ini engana matemu kulige mu kwibera abana
ukwana boigo nigo migosi atebira samatukaje gatigarete nige serikali ya rubiri bitambukire bikirano ogatemo kwo chikunyara kabaga gokorekana senchira yobosera.
And we are going to continue doing this because this is the last week. I want to encourage you to not to release your foot from the accelerator. Ensure that the team from NEC, the team from the ministry that is ensuring and supervising, you are doing your work so that we can deliver this year an examination to the country that is credible.
Migosi boigo niga enekirenga gotemwa kugoika bono tikuranyara kabago koenekia bikoro binde byonse byo wibeli ko no gotema gwasyolia ogotemo ko ento korengana monere atebire baratkunyara ko bakugikiria na kubwatia omohoria anene uri batumika koenekia buna amatemo akepsea na korekana buya emergency ya Kenya wibeli bonde bwensi botaenekirie.
Of course there have been attempts here and there, and as you have understood, this year there has not been any sort of cheating because what has happened is what we call early exposure. That's when the student has opened the exam, maybe you can take a photo because you allow them to get in with their phones, which you shouldn't. Yeah, which you shouldn't. Just make sure you do your part. It's not a difficult thing. It's a very, very simple thing, and then we'll work with you. And you know, we've rooted out this vice in primary. We did KPSEA, and it was 1.3 million students who did the exams, and it was 100%, almost 100% clean. We are going to root it out here in secondary, and we'll also root it out even in the universities. We want to ensure that there is a hygiene in the education sector, and it is our job, and we are determined to do it.
Migosi nigarurege kulirege tindi ochasi bali bonse baratkunyara ko bakubwatanigwa amo no bwibeli bwa matemo buna nigo baratkunyara ko bakwimukia egurube yabuboka abanyene na boigo kwimukirirwa egesusuro egetindi
abari bagocha kutoka batemire kuiba matemi kera banyarite kuiba nkobwatu bale once pina na bagocha kuirwechera ni bakoirwechera mbali gocha koraga ase ministry ya education osa ase sector ya education neto ko blacklist kara babire convicted mbaira na koraga ase education again kera ntutegetenga Kenya yeito amatemu akorwe kale clean ekero mondanga nyolesa tibete yenge njire yaye
boigo nigo aenekia okwenenwa kwa matemu ajiga gucha saborokiwa ase skuru ya Nyaikuro ase boigo aikirana ase skuru ya Liomoro elio kwigora ebirasi vya masomo y'omurubelio OCBC. Ginko ripoteria egetaseni kia wanjite kia Getembe kurugige igaiga imeye kaunti ya Nyamira inchego nguru kwa Polycarp Okara.